In this video, I want to share with you 3 low competition guinea pig niches for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 3 guinea pig niches, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So it is currently Thursday, May 16th, 5:01 p.m., and I'm sitting at 32 sales, 4 returns, $41 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,049 sales for the month and $1,575 in royalties for the month. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So I was actually doing some research for the 100 prompts I'm going to be sending out to gold members, and I saw that guinea pigs is going to be trending in July. And so if we go right here to this Google page, we're going to see that July 16th is Guinea Pig Appreciation Day, celebrated on July 16th. And when we go to Merch Informer and we just type in guinea pig, we're actually going to see that it's a little competitive. So I think there's like 3,000 results right here, 190, but I don't believe that. The real number is right here from Productor, 3,485. So in my opinion, that's a little too competitive. You know, we got to find a way to like niche down, or we got to find phrases that are less in competition. So the first low competition guinea pig niche that I have for you is going to be this one right here, which is just a girl who loves guinea pigs. Did I spell it right? Just a girl who loves guinea pigs. We're going to see that the competition is low, only 181 results, and when we fact check it with Productor, we're going to see there's also 181 results, and this niche is low in competition and it is selling. We're going to see it's got BSRs, it has reviews. Here what some of the designs look like. Now obviously these are marketed towards girls and women, so you're going to see like pink things. I thought this was actually pretty clever as well, where you're cross niching it with Jesus and guinea pigs. That's just going to make the competition even lower and going to be more focused or specific for a certain type of person. But here are just some other designs that I wanted to share with you. We're seeing lots of hearts, lots of pink colors, white text. A lot of them are on black, so maybe you want to be different and do something kind of like this one, where you do a different color for the mock-up, so maybe like white or pink. That is something that can work. And now, since I always get this comment on my videos, like if you go to, I got a sale. If you go to Amazon and you just type in right here, so we just go to Amazon homepage and we type in just a girl who loves guinea pig shirt, we're going to see there's 5,000 results. Why are there 5,000 results here and only 181 results here? Now the reason why is because these are these are Amazon clothing products. So that's going to be merch by Amazon, but it's also going to be fulfillment by merch, which is going to be like Printful, Printify, and it's also going to be FBA. And you're also going to see that a lot of these are just a girl who loves pigs as well, if you go to like the 7th page. So that's why there's so many here, and there's only 181 here. These ones are merch by Amazon results, so only merch by Amazon shirts. Merch by Amazon shirts come with Prime benefits, next day shipping, free shipping, things like that. But now let's go ahead and take a look to see if this is trademarked. And for some reason, the test website was not working for me. I don't know if this has been down for you as well. So what I decided to do is just come over here to my merch by Amazon design dashboard. And when I type this phrase in, just a girl who loves guinea pigs, and I click on the Productor trademark button right here, we're going to see that nothing pops up. If this were to be in red, and if I were to click on it, and if it were in the 0.25 class, then it would be off limits. So it looks like this is safe. Now if we go to Creative Fabrica, we're going to see that the designs are not the best. Like just a girl who loves guinea pigs, that's not too good. This one is okay. I think the best one is this one right here, because it's got some hearts in it. It's kind of girlish, so I think that one could work. Oh wow, sales are starting to come in. But lately I've been using Ideogram, and I've been getting great results, and the designs that I got from Ideogram is what motivated me to make this video. Because check out this design right here. I made this with Ideogram, and I just think this is, I mean, look at the quality. This is really good. It got all the text right. Just a girl who loves guinea pigs. It's got these pink butterflies, got pig's heart. I mean, I think this is a lot better than some of the ones that we saw over here, like this one right here. I think it beats out a lot of the designs. So yeah, comment below, let me know what you think about this design right here. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the next low competition guinea pig niche that I have for you. So the second low competition guinea pig niche that I have for you is this phrase right here that says, "Sorry, my guinea pig ate my homework." Only 41 results. We can also see right here, Productor fact checking it, only 41 as well. And the reason why I like this one, besides that's low in competition, is that it's funny. So, you know, funny designs tend to sell very well on Merch by Amazon or t-shirts in general. Here are what some of the designs look like. You see they're selling out. These two have really good BSRs. They are in the Climate Pledge friendly categories, we can see right here. But even for that, the Climate Pledge friendly category, that's still really good. 138, 111 right there. Like this one has 39 reviews. This one looks like it's made with AI right here. That's a pretty good one. But we can see that this is low in competition. It is selling. When I went to actually first let's check to see if it's trademark. So right here, "Sorry, my guinea pig ate my homework." When I click on the Productor trademark button, nothing pops up. But when I went to create a Fabrica, I didn't see anything that really caught my eye that I think is really that good. This one is kind of good maybe, but still not the best. But when I went to Ideogram, I was able to make this design right here, which I thought was really good. "Sorry, my guinea pig ate my homework." It's almost perfect. The only thing is just missing a little, you see how there's 3 like kind of splashes right here. It's just missing one right here, but you could probably remix it and get it. But this looks really good. I mean, and these aren't, I haven't even upscaled these yet. Now, obviously, you want to upscale them, but I think this is just really good right here. I'm really liking the quality of designs I'm getting from Ideogram. I've really been working on the prompts, and I feel like I'm getting pretty good at them. So I've been having a lot of fun doing that. But this is the second one that I have for you. "Sorry, my guinea pig ate my homework." And then the next low competition guinea pig niche that I have for you is going to be guinea pig mom. We're going to see that there's 112 results, but that is not the correct number. When we check on Productor, it's 1259, so a little higher in competition. That's why I saved it for last. Now, usually my benchmark is 1,000, but I thought this was still a good niche because it can be scaled out. You don't just have to use mom. You can do like grandma, you can do mama, you can do girl. You could do different types to say mom or like grandma, like nana, abuela, things like that. But so it's low in competition. It looks like it is selling. You can take almost any animal niche and just cross niche it with the word mom, and it'll sell, like elephant, dog. There's a whole bunch. That's just anytime you come across like a low competition niche that's like an animal, just cross niche it with a demographic like mom or grandma. It has a good chance of selling. But again, we can see low in competition, getting some sales, got some reviews. Pretty easy to design for. If we go to Merch by Amazon to see if this is trademark, guinea pig mom, I'm not seeing any phrase that pops up in red. If we go to create a Fabrica, I did find this design right here, which actually looks pretty good in my opinion. The other ones, not so much. But where I got a really good design was, bet you guessed it, Ideogram. So right here, guinea pig mom. And this looks really good in my opinion. I'm really liking Ideogram, like I was saying. The only problem is that the background was kind of weird, but you can just get rid of the background. A lot of people have been commenting on my videos, how do I get rid of the black background? I just pop it into Photoshop, and I just use the eraser tool, and all you have to do is just click, and it'll get rid of the background. You can probably also use Canva. There's probably other websites you can use, but getting rid of the background is not that hard. You can just kind of do a Google search, just use Photoshop or Photopea or something like that. But check this out. What do you guys think? Comment below on what you think about these designs. I think they're great. Okay, now I want to share with you a few resources that I offer that will help you get sales like this. So I'm now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So if you click on this join button right here, let me just pause the video. I'm offering 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. Now bronze is if you basically just want to support the channel. You will get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments, but the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold memberships. Now silver is going to get you a daily market update every day. So let me just show you real quick what that kind of looks like. This is the one that I put out today. So every morning at 6 a.m., because I get up early, I put out a market update, and usually it involves a trending niche. Since I've been doing this for about a week now, I think there's only been one day where I haven't been able to find one. So here's an example of what you get. So I just basically let you know of any trending niche that I found. So this is one that I saw yesterday, AP Biology, I'm cooked. I talk about why it might be trending. I talk about how many results there are. I talk about if it's trademarked or not. I even share with you a link to one of the designs that is selling. You even get a prompt for Ideogram to create for the niche. And I even give you an example keywords for your brand, title, bullet 1, and bullet 2. And that's going to be on a daily basis, trending niche. But then above and beyond, what you're going to get from that is you're going to get 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. It's going to come out every Monday at 6 a.m. And in that video, I'm going to be sharing with you about 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches or phrases that are low competition, evergreen, and it's also going to come with a prompt as well. So you're basically going to get the information, the niche, and then you're also going to get a prompt that goes with it to make the design. All right, so that is what comes with the silver package. And that is only $7 a month. Now I live in Mexico, so that's why it says 99 pesos. I got a comment the other day, someone was saying that it's $99 for 4 videos. No, that's not. It's 99 pesos or $7 for the daily update, the daily market update, and the 4 videos. Now, if you go with the gold, what you're going to get is you're going to get every month, at the beginning of the month, you're going to get a Word file with 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So at the time of this recording, it is May 16th. So if you were to sign up today for the gold on June 1st, you would get a Word file of 100 prompts for trending niches that will be trending in July. That way you will have a month of time to prepare, create the prompts, create the designs, upload them, and get them ready. And that is only $10. All right. So if you're interested, you just click on this join button. Now, if for any reason this join button is not available in your country, I'm offering the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. All right. So if you go to my YouTube videos right here, you're going to see there's a link for the Patreon right there. Now, if you're not interested in that, I have another, or I have a course that I'm offering on Gumroad. It's this one right here. This is good for beginners. So if you're like struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, if you're stuck in tier 10, making less than $100 a month, I would highly recommend that you check out my Merch by Amazon masterclass for beginners. It's going to basically teach you everything that I've learned over the past 7 years that I've been on Merch by Amazon. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. Like yesterday, I did $124, 93, 93, 75. 113, 86. So I'm doing about $100 a day. So if you want to learn what I've learned over the 7 years, check out the link in the description. It is the 3rd one, I believe, right here that says merch course. And then if you want some freebies, you can also click on this merch course and just click on my name right here, Michael Vandervoort. It will take you to this page right here, and I have some free prompts for you. So if you want 10 free ideogram prompts for Father's Day, 50 free prompts for trending June niches, you can go ahead and get those freebies. All you have to do is just type in 0. I do want to give a shout out because I've been getting so many downloads for this. There was one person, his name is Terry. I don't know the last name, but his name is Terry. He left a $2 donation, so shout out to Terry. So far, you're the only one. So good. I appreciate that. You got some good karma coming your way, brother. But I think that's going to be it. And then if you just want to get free content, you can just subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. I put out like 3 videos a week about trending niches, evergreen niches, prompts, things like that. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.